drama. Money go come, we go jolly. No wahala, no wahala. No wahala.
Hey y'all, I hope you guys are keeping cool because it is hot. So I have a bunch of units to show you guys, perfect for the summer. This unit actually comes from Nadula. So if you guys are interested in this unit, be sure to check down below in the description area where everything is going to be linked for you. But y'all, they have came up with their new and improved kinky curly textured half wig with that kinky edge blend cap. You can see around the edges, it does have that easy to blend edge for those of you guys who have thinner hair. It also has those additional combs on the inside and their additional drawstring. A lot of you guys have been saying, hey, I want this wig, but it doesn't come with the drawstring. It's not secured enough. So they went ahead and they added that drawstring for added security, and I tell you, A1. But right here, I'm just going to show you guys what I do to blend my hair in with this half wig. As you guys know already, the half wig is in a kinky curly texture. I'm a type 4 girly, so I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is for you to do kind of like a quick wash and go to blend your leave out in with your unit. This unit can be worn in several different ways. You can wear it with no leave out with the headband, but I am going to show you guys what I do to blend in my unit. So first things first, I'm just going to take out the amount of hair that I want for my wig. You guys can see I did take out a generous amount. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair with just a little bit of water. You don't want your hair too wet, but you want it wet enough where your curls can kind of revert in case your hair is blown out or in its stretched state. Again, I am just taking some water, some of my edge control. I like to use edge control because it really helps with keeping my hair elongated, if that makes any sense. Also shiny, and it doesn't give my hair that crunchy hard cast. My hair will still feel nice and soft and easy to manipulate to blend in with the wig. So again, y'all, I apply water, some edge control, and now I'm just kind of brushing my edges back, and this is how my hair looks once it's fully dried. It's not greasy or anything. You can see that it somewhat matches in with those curls, but again, y'all, this is how that unit looks. You have that kinky edge band, which is going to help with blending in your hair, especially if you have some thinning. And I'm just going to go ahead and just get this wig on so we can see just how my hair is blending in with this unit. I take those larger combs and I place it at the top of my head, and then the smaller combs around the sides. And now I'm just going to take those kinky edges just to kind of help with blending in so you don't see that transitional line from the weft and my hair, and just kind of just play around with the wig as well as the leave out just to kind of see what it's looking like, how it's blending. You know, for me, looking at it with my own eyes, I kind of felt like I really wanted to go in with this wig and kind of get these curls to pop a little bit. I'm also going to redefine my hair because I kind of felt like it was a little bit frizzy. You guys are going to see that coming up. First thing I did was I used my detangler brush, which is by Unbrush, and I just went through the hair, and y'all can see I just kind of just messing around right here so y'all can see you can wear this hair in a blown out state. Some of you guys might like that. I wasn't feeling it, so I'm going to go in with some water and just go section by section, wetting the hair and detangling it. I'm also going to use a curl defining product. You can use whatever you have. You can use gel, you can use what I have here, but I just apply a little bit, and I'm going in with my curl defining brush just to kind of get those curls to pop. Again, I'm just taking some water and going section by section, applying a little bit of some curl defining product and taking my curl defining brush to kind of get those curls to pop. I'm going to go ahead and do my entire head as well as diffuse it dry, and we're going to see just how these curls are looking.
Enjoy your life, no drama. Money go come, we go jolly. No wahala, no wahala. Wake up early, thank Baba God. Oh. No stress for my head, I dey ball. Oh. Life no easy, but I dey smile. You. Every hustle go pay, just give am time. You. If you no be money talk, no call me. If you no be love and peace, no worry. We dey shine like sun, no darling. Oh yeah, make we dance, no for me. No wahala, no wahala. Enjoy your life, no drama. Money go come, we go jolly. No wahala, no wahala. No wahala, no wahala. Enjoy your life, no drama. Money go come, we go jolly. No wahala, no wahala. Them talk say I no go make 'em. Now then they holla for my jam. Everywhere I go, then they dance. Afro be they bust their brain, no chance. If you no be money talk, no call me. If you no be love and peace, no worry. We dey shine like sun, no darling. Oh, yeah,
So now that my hair is defined and diffused, I'm going to go ahead and get my leave out to blend better with the unit. I know y'all probably thinking it looks fine, but like with my own eyes, it was just looking frizzy and kind of crusty. So the same procedure I did the day before is what I'm going to be doing today. I just applied a little bit of water and edge control. I'm using a different edge control because I ran out of the other one. I got this one from the Dollar Tree, y'all, okay? Pick this one up. It does not flake, but I'm just applying a little bit onto my hair along with the water. I'm not using any curl defining brushes or tools. I'm just using my fingers. That's going to get you the best definition. Again, y'all, I just applied a little bit of that edge control on top of my damped hair, and y'all, it just will blend right in. I didn't even have to diffuse it dry. It just matches perfectly. I see a lot of girls on YouTube doing this method, and I will say that it's definitely a hack. I would definitely recommend this method, especially for those of you guys who may not have a lot of definition, or of course you can do like a twist out or a braid out, whatever floats your boat. My hair type is a type 4A 4B, so y'all can tell like it's blending, it's giving my hair like I really didn't want this to be a tutorial, but this is giving like when you get this wig, make sure you do these steps because your hair is going to be popping like this. But anyways, y'all, this is how my hair is now looking with the wig. I mean, I could have went in a little more to get my curls to pop, but you know what, this is fine. If you're someone who likes the hair out of your face, you don't see the band, the blend as well. Here are the angles. My unit is in 24 inches. When you define these curls, it's going to be looking like a 20 inch, but rest assured this is 24 inches. This is where it falls on me. Y'all, this hair is super secure because of that drawstring, so you're going to be able to do a lot of versatile styles with this one. Y'all can do like a half up, half down. You can have your little wispies coming along in your face. You can definitely do a toss over or a side part. I love a good side part with the half wig because it's different. We're so used to seeing middle parts or even a headband, so wearing your half wig in a side part is super cute. Y'all can do a half up, half down with no wispies. Y'all, the styles with this unit is endless. It's extremely secure. It's comfortable. Y'all, look at these curls. It's popping, okay? Again, this unit comes from Nadula, Amazon. Amazon Prime Day is coming up, so make sure you guys do check out the prices that they have listed because y'all gonna definitely need to get this one. Again, this unit does have those combs on the inside, the anti-slip band, and that additional drawstring, so this unit isn't going anywhere. Y'all, let me know what y'all think of this unit, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Money go come, we go jolly. No wahala, no wahala.